Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by preparing a focused canvas, tidy frames, name layers, and convert repeating UI into components, variants when multiple states exist. Once done, switch to the Prototype tab and set the device and flow start so interactions target the right screen. Make sure to set constraints and layout grids early. They preserve relative motion when resizing. Now pick a primary element you want to animate and add an initial interaction, so the process is already underway and tangible. Next, craft the actual motion. Duplicate frames or component states, then change properties like position, scale, opacity, or rotation. Make sure layer names and hierarchy match across frames so Smart Animate can interpolate smoothly. In the prototype interaction, choose on tap / after delay and pick Smart Animate, then tweak duration and easing for feel, ease out, spring, or linear. Preview frequently with the play button or device preview to iterate until the timing and overlap feel. To finish, combine techniques. Use overlays for modals, after delay flows for chained animations, and separate layers for parallax or staggered sequences. If you need micro adjustments, split elements into smaller components so each can animate independently. Make sure to test on the intended device resolution and iterate on easing curves. If animations seem broken, check matching layer names and hierarchy, ensure nested components aren't detaching, and verify prototype links. Fixing those usually restores Smart Animate behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.